Mindset is literally everything.
Here's the thing.
Are you ready to hear this?
Yes.
Our brain's the strongest pharmacy on planet Earth.
Most people show up in life, they're drained in their energy, they feel anxious, and they're not quite sure why this is going on.
Our bodies are the most advanced feedback system that we have.
How many of you want to activate that extraordinary life that you know is within you? You get to choose that story.
You have more control over your biology, more control over your health than you've been led to believe.
Dr. Anna Marie to the
I
stage.
just saw Anna Marie speak, and wow. I am walking away from that talk changed.
I'm Dr. Anna Marie. I am a doctor of traditional naturopathy, and I am the founder of Happy Whole You. I've helped hundreds of people figure out what is that message that your body's trying to tell you.
How we think about our life and how we speak about our life is everything.
And your body is reflecting back to you the very story you are telling yourself. What are you thinking every day? What are the words you're saying every day?
Are you distributing feel-good hormones, or are you distributing fear?
If you're thinking and speaking about your life in a way that's not serving you, your body's gonna show up and not serve you.
And that's exactly what happened to me.
I was burnt out. I was working the 16 hours a day, constantly trying to prove myself.
My body started to get sick, not sleeping at night, acid reflux, neck pain, shoulder pain, because I still wasn't fulfilling what my calling was.
And when you keep pushing it back and pushing it down and not listening, your body will physically respond louder and louder and louder.
What is this feedback that your body's been giving you? What does it mean? And how can we decode it so you can live your best life?
I want you to think about the story that you've been telling yourself that is getting in the way. I don't have the right education. I don't know the right people.
We have to take all those layers of yuck off of our life.
And you can shift that story at any moment in your life with a single thought.
In 150 to 300 milliseconds, you can shift a thought and it'll change your biochemistry, changing the chemical reactions that are going on in the brain.
You get to choose what you want. You get to choose the chemicals that you're releasing in your mind.
And when we rewire these stories that we're telling ourselves, it rewires our physical body.
And we can step into that future that we desire, into that future person that we know that we are called, that we are meant to be.
Today is the first day of the rest of our lives. Yes!
I know you're ready to step into the person you are meant to be.
And I want you to ask yourself, what will it cost you if you don't?